Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make mouse trails in Scratch. So I'm pretty sure you guys know what mouse trails are. It's basically when something is following your mouse pointer wherever it goes. So it's really simple and it's not going to be that much of a long video. So let's get straight into it. Alright, first up you guys can pick a sprite that you want. So, yeah, actually, I've already picked the scratch cat, so I'm gonna be using the scratch cat for this video. And I'm gonna change the size to 80 because it's a bit big. There we go. Alright, the first step is get a one green flag clicked, and you're gonna go get a forever loop, and there it is. And you're gonna put in a create clone of myself. And you do not want to do this, like you just don't want to do this like this because it's just going to make your computer run really super slow. So what we're going to be doing is when it creates a clone of itself, we also want it to go to the mouse pointer so that it always goes to our mouse pointer. And you can see it's just going to clog up here and your computer is going to run really slow. So you do not want to be doing this. So instead, what you're going to do is get this, go to control and get, when I start as a clone, what you want to do is get a repeat 10 times block and go to the looks right here. And you can select any of this and then change this to either fisheye, whirl, or whatever you want. I'm going to change it to color for now and affect the color by 25. And also what you're going to do outside the repeat block is delete this clone. So that way it's not going to clog up, as you guys can see, it's not clogging up and it's not creating too much clones because we're also deleting the clones right here. So we are not going to have too much clones and we're not going to have less amount of clones. So yeah, that's basically what you do in a mouse trail. And then I'm going to be showing you guys some different effects that you can do to make your mouse trail look cooler. So, alright, so basically you can just go over to any single block and then grab it. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make it to where it's just clones surrounding your actual sprite. So what you're going to do is get a point in direction, put that in the repeat, go to operators, get a pick random, and you're going to switch over to 0 to 360. So that it's going to go anywhere on the map. It's just going to switch anywhere on the map, turn anywhere on the map. So then what you're going to be doing is moving it by 10 steps. So now you guys can see it's just randomly pointing in any direction and it just looks pretty weird, but at the same time it's just like pretty cool. So the next step that you could be doing, so I'm just gonna get all of this out real quick. You want to get a ghost effect and then change it by 5 because let me just show you guys 25. So 25, it's not that cool. It just looks like this kind of whitish shadow, but you're gonna be changing it by 5, so it's not gonna disappear as much. And you can see that it actually looks much cooler. So yeah, change this by 10 and let's see what happens. See, it looks much cooler now because it's not all disappearing, but after it's also mostly disappearing. So now what you're going to be doing is you can use these right here and change the Y by 10, this block. And you can just look, so even though I'm moving my cursor on the X axis, it's actually going up and down. So yeah, and then you can change it to negative 10 and it's gonna go down. Negative 10. Now you can see it's going downwards. So you can actually use these mouse trails in your games to make them look cooler or just add something to your game that's just gonna make it, like just make it a better game. So yeah, alright, let's do some more stuff. So what you can also be doing is changing this. So let's see what happens over here. Fisheye, whirl. Okay, that just looks super weird. So let's try whirl. Okay, so now it's spinning. Okay, that's pretty cool. You guys can also add this turn 15 degrees. So it's just gonna spin around. Yeah, you guys can see that. And then the cat itself is whirled. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's just like a spiky little ball because we did the turn 15 degrees. So it's just like a spiky little ball. And then if we do it on negative 15 degrees, it's gonna become a spiky ball on the other side like this. So you guys can also do something else to go over to your costumes. You can delete this and then get another costume. And you can just pick a costume and then let's see, what should we pick here? I'm going to be picking this flying cat. So let's pick this flying cat. Okay, where is it? Is it costume? Let's choose flying cat A. There we go. It was there. I don't know why it didn't show up. So now you can see that it's a flying cat. And now you're wondering why isn't it the same cat now? So what you have to do here is when flag clicked, switch the costume to, oops, real quick, just fix that. Switch the costume to cat A, and now you can see that it's a flying cat. Oh, my bad. It's the same thing. Just do where is it? Switch costume to cat. Yeah, flying cat. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it's the flying cat. And I'm gonna take out this, and I'm gonna change the color effect. So now it's a flying cat. So that's basically it, guys. And of course, you guys can do your own things. Grab blocks from here, and then just put them inside your repeat block to just have different things and stuff. So for example, I'm just gonna just grab random blocks that you want, just put them in there, and then just it's just gonna look cooler. See, so I just did negative, and you can just do anything in your repeat blocks to make your mouse trail have anything, and you guys should be creative. So that was it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed making your own mouse trail, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next week. Peace out, bye.